Look at Tom. Hiding in his shell. Come on, Tom, you can do it. Oh, look at that. It's our camping ground last night. Ruby! Look at Ruby running around. She's running to the toilet. She's running to block that toilet, eh? Spider-Man, Spider-Man. No. Good morning. Look at Tom mucking around. Got a toilet paper.
Not elegant.
Got a toilet paper.
Bring some buckets with you.
Stop mucking around, Tom.
Hurry up. It's not raining. You could have brought 2.
You could have brought 3.
Can you bring mine as well? Oh.
There he is.
Sitting in the corner.
Sitting in that corner. That's the fighty pants himself. Stepping out our boats, empties our water, and jump on the river. Here's the old girl, making his way down. Grandpa!
With barrels.
With barrels, yeah. All right. Morning. Oh, I caught that. Yep. He's all right. He's anything to carry down?
No, not yet.
Do
you guys need a hand?
I'm just going to launch it. And once he's out, you guys can go as well.
I think they'll be alright.
Spider-Man, you ready? Ready?
Good morning. Day 47 on the river. Chef Tom in the house. Look at him. We got Spider-Man. We're just about to launch off to our next campsite.
Fellas, all good?
Yep. Look. Jack of all trades up there. Number 1. So we're ready to go.
Yeah, if you guys can.
Yep. We're ready now. Okay. Waterfall. Me and Spider-Man. SJ, Di, Ruby, Daniela, and Grandpa just up the front there in the 3 boats. Yep.
Oh yeah, it's for your video.
Yeah. Good video. Nice. Yee-hee. Yep. Rapids coming up. Rapids coming up. Almost toppled over before. Oh, feel sorry for Grandpa and Daniela. We held onto their boat. Should not have done that, maybe. Hope he saved us though. That's all good. Smoko. You just stopped for a break somewhere. Spider-Man taking a pee-pee. Watch out for that wind, mate. Watch out for that wind. Oops.
10 to me. It depends on what.
There we go. Yep. Nice waterfall. There you go. The river's a bit flooded. Another waterfall. What was that? Eden then, Tom. Look at this chaos. All right. Oh. Yep. We're going for a little hike. We're stopped in for Smoko, and it's a little bit of a trail. So no backpacks, just our backs. Nice and light. All right. Poopy. That's a poopy. So this is the bridge, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's high.
You can go all the way through to some of the movement count. That's still 114 people. Yeah.
I guess if you don't force, you can just jump pretty fast.
Depends on how much fuel you can carry. It's got to be.
The mighty drop working with no safety harness or something.
Run it. Sprint. Yeah.
That was so fast.
Yeah, now do it. Look at all the people. There's my tent. No. Sorry. It's good enough. Hello.
Who won this one?
Thomas, who broke the promise. Nah, I don't know.
More people for you to interview.
How's the toilet?
How's the toilet? I did not have success.
Oh,
You blocked up.
Well, no, I always go regularly every morning. This is going on YouTube, right?
yeah.
I mean, I'm a YouTuber. So I just I'm a little bit extra party this today. Like, I'll be fine tomorrow morning. I'm always regular. I was just hoping to have a little bit earlier. You know?
Yeah.
Move the bowels.
This is what happens when you eat freeze-dried meals every freaking day.
Yeah, literally.
Yep.
But then I get to the city and I eat so many veggies, and my body's like, "What are we doing?"
Yeah,
Yeah.
literally.
So confused.
That's right. Let it rip. You gotta let it rip.
Start a YouTube channel called Poop Talk.
Yeah. Poop talk.
You guys,
Poopy talk.
you guys love the stuff. Did you
Poop-
guys used
poopy
to have
talk.
the pooper, and you could when you took a poo, you logged it, and your location was logged.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, and then you could log all your poos.
Oh, nice.
I love my
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know now. I know now.
Yeah,
And I log my stuff there.
that's pretty handy.
Oh, it's helped me so many times.
You're embarrassed.
No, she's going to be embarrassed. Good night.
No, no,
Yep.
Good no.
No.
like you talk about poo.
Oh, look at everyone. Who's that? Go and check out this room. Oh, no. Too many people. Some firewood. The cooking facility in there. The marae. Spider-Man. Some banana trees. Hey, hey. There goes Jack over there, look. Hanging over there. Sniper. He's being the sniper in the bush. Yeah?
I must have lit the fire, but it's not even going properly.
Yeah, well, they don't know how to manage a fire.
The door's open. There's no flame.
Yee.
If you're watching this, light a bit of fire.
Yeah. Some real wood. Excuse me, sir. Do you know- Hey. of the camp up there.